Okay, for my flipped classroom, I used a Venn gauge so that the students could pull up different interactive sites. So if you start out at the top, you're going to see here where artists use different color monochromatic schemes. So what I was trying to do was front load the curriculum and the content and teach them in a flipped classroom what I wanted them to know ahead of time. So the research and the information was there ahead of time in a creative and a interactive, fun way. So each one of the little circles here involves the student in a different way. This one you see is Better Homes and Gardens, but it's it's a video that starts and it goes through and it tells how a a designer would have used uh, this is a commercial, but it would tell how a designer uses the to create a room. Excuse me. This here are in this one, monochromatic color scheme is used in it by architectures, and it tells how real world experiences are used. So it's not just in the art world that we see monochromatic colors. And then further investigation, no, this is not me. We see students' works, and you will even see a little short video which I created here that goes through and it shows the students the actual making of the shades, tints and shades of, and it's a little short um, video. And then it has some information there as well. But then you'll see student samples, which they will be doing in class. And some of the students that I have in my class are also ESL learners, so they have a hard time with pronunciation. And monochromatic might be a hard word for them to get to know. So I start all the words that they would need to absolutely know. Of course, they can go through the rest of them, but if they go through this Quizlet here, it tells them the pronunciation.
Monochromatic color scheme consists of one color plus its tints and shades.
So
monochromatic color scheme consists of one color plus its tints and shades.
So they can go through that as well. And then the last link down here is a where they would read about it, and it goes through and it explains the whole entire color scheme as to what they are going to be doing. White with the color is the lightest, it's a tint. The color plus black makes a shade, the gray, and so on and so on. So this uploads the information for them, making it a flipped classroom. When they come into class, then they would be expected to use this information, and after a short demonstration, they would be then producing a monochromatic painting. Giving this Venn diagram, no, that's not me. This would help them understand, and they could always go back and review the information before the final summative evaluation would be then given. This would allow the students to have critical thinking and creative communication.